There we go. What you making, Bree?
Candles.
Did you use all of it? What'd you do with the thing?
Huh?
Oh, you put it back up there? So, what all we got made? We got cactuses, those funky star thingies, and
Starfish.
we got some fishies over there.
They're not fit.
No, shells and fishies and stuff. Shell, crab, and they're going to be wax melts, and she's taking the ones out of here and putting the thingy for Mommy. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right? Be careful with that knife. Can you hand me the
You should know better than that, Mom.
I need something that's over here.
You really should.
I need something
Be
that's
careful
over here.
with the knife, you tell me.
Yes, be careful with the knife. No. Do I want
No
the one
one's
that says
safe.
Christmas, 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 Christmas?
No one's safe, Mom.
Where's the white ones?
Wherever I put them. Over there.
Oh, they're way over there. I don't want the white ones. I'm going to take maybe these and put some of apple cinnamon in it. And put cinnamon. Apple cinnamon. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. When that comes off of there. Oh boy. About there. I'm going to open this. Put these in there. And a little bit of cinnamon down in here. Ooh, what the whole bottle of apple cinnamon down in there. And we're going to put that down in there. Put that.
The thing you want me to
Just leave it in there. Just leave it in there for now. It's just going to melt. And when it gets melted enough, I will take it out. You got to turn it on. But don't turn it on full blast. It don't need to be on high. You can put it on like medium.
Smells really nice.
Down in the middle there. It'll be good. I just put that apple, what was left of this apple cinnamon in it. Flavor. If you hold it still, I can zoom in like, yeah. Oh, pull it out. You're moving it. There you go. That's better. Are you funny? Are you funny? My daughter thinks she's funny because I said pull it out. See, we're decorated in the kitchen. A little bit different than we did it last year. Huh? Little bit different than we did it last year.
Without your permission.
Well, you don't need my permission to decorate at your house too. Jeez.
Can I pin on the walls?
Can you turn the Christmas? Yes. Turn the Christmas
Wait,
lights
really?
on.
I can pin on the walls?
No. Turn on the Christmas lights.
Said yes.
Well, I didn't mean yes to that. Goop troop. Goop troop. Mr. Tots came home with 80 pounds of chicken from his job. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One over there makes 6. Yeah? Hang on.
3, 2, 1, blast off.
7, 8. 8 bags of chicken. And they're 10 pounds each.
This guy's little Einsteins.
We got 10, the bags are 10 pounds each, and we have 8 of them. So we have 80 pounds of chicken that Chance brought home from where he works. Which is okay foods. Is it melting? Is it starting to melt?
Well, I'm okay.
And that's my Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Nothing. I'm totally mentally fine.
What is that? Is that a Christmas package that's laying right there, or is that a bunch of junk that don't belong next to it?
What?
Right over there, in the floor.
Huh? Oh, Christmas tree package thing.
Laying on the floor right there? Or is that stuff that don't belong there? Not that. Next to it. That right there.
It's gone.
Don't put it there. Go put it over there where it goes. Really? Pick that stuff up right there. Bree, I want you to pick it up. Pick it up. The stuff behind you. Ooh. Little brat. Yeah, that brat. Cheese abroad.
1, 2, 7, 3, down rockabilly. I feel like Overhaul from My
My
Academia.
knee's acting
I
funny
have like
today.
gloves on. Like I
My
hate
knee's
everything.
acting
I'm a germaphobe.
funny today.
Ooh. Ow.
My knee's acting weird today.
Mine too. Look
It's
at
kind
them.
of sore.
Mom. Mine are acting weird too.
You painted on them. Yeah, you painted on yours, weirdo. Funny girl.
I'm the only one keeping this channel alive.
Making wax melt.
Oh, my fingers feel waxy. I'm a disappointment.
Why you say that? My knee hurts.
Just look at me.
Where I got ripped open at? And I will say ripped open. Hurts. What?
Now what?
Have you got all of them out of there, including the lavender ones? Did you do the lavender ones? Do the lavender ones.
Okay. I must switch out gloves because these.
Move crazy, doggy. Let's see, is it melting? Is it melting? Oh, it's melting. Yes, it is. Let's see if I can get that thing out of there yet. Almost.
Yeah, scrape it off, Mom.
Hurry, don't be crazy. Oh well, it'll come off when it's ready.